How to delete Stickman Flash. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to delete Stickman Flash. Deleting Stickman Flash is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Go to Setting. Open the Setting app on your mobile device. Once you are on the setting, go to App and Notification. Tap on the app or app notification. It might be different depending on your mobile device. Find Stickman Flash. Scroll through your list of apps and select the Stickman Flash, or you can search it in the search bar. Clear storage and cache, it's optional. Tap on storage or storage and cache. Press the clear data button to remove the cache data. Then tap on clear storage to remove all files. Then go back to the menu and tap on uninstall to remove the app from your device. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete Stickman Flash. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.